Welcome to our interactive video gallery project. We use reusable React components for a clean structure. The card component displays content like movies or videos. Cards can show video previews or styled placeholders. Each card includes a title and a button for actions. The button triggers the modal to open when clicked. The modal component displays detailed content or a video. It is fully responsive and centers on all screen sizes. Escape key or the close button will dismiss the modal. We created separate pages: movie, drama, cartoon, and video. Each page reuses the same card, button, and modal components. Movie page displays a collection of movie cards. Drama page shows cards with drama shows or series. Cartoon page highlights animated series or cartoons. Video page displays interactive video previews inside cards. Videos autoplay muted for smooth visual experience. Hovering on cards triggers scaling and shadow effects. Buttons have hover colors for user interaction feedback. The modal shows the selected video in a larger view. All components are styled using Tailwind CSS utilities. Grid layout ensures responsive display on all devices. Adding new content is simple by updating the data files. You can mix movies, dramas, cartoons, and videos easily. This project demonstrates reusable React component design. It is suitable for portfolios, galleries, or streaming apps. Video previews provide a dynamic and engaging experience. The modal ensures focus on selected content. Cards can include images, videos, or styled divs. Tailwind CSS makes animations and hover effects easy. You can reuse these components in any React project. All pages share the same consistent design language. This structure improves maintainability and scalability. Users can interact with cards, buttons, and modals intuitively. Video autoplay and looping insert.